is for Queen, Phonics song. Q, what do you see? Kwuh, 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 say it with me. Quack and quilt, and a quiet scene. Q is for quail and Q is for queen. Queen wears a crown so bright and grand. She waves hello with her royal hand. Quilt on her bed stitched just right, soft and cozy through the night. Quail runs quick across the grass, tiny feet go skipping fast. Duck says quack and sounds to glide, with quiet steps he likes to hide. Q, what do you see? Kwuh, 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 say it with me. Quarter rolls and dreams begin. Q is the sound that makes us grin. Ending line, Q, Kwuh, Kwuh, now you know. Quick with Q, let's learn and grow.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.